Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my new video. I guess you all have been really amazed at my thumbnail. I'm gonna explain about my thumbnail, so no fret, just hold on and listen my video very carefully. Basically, I have two family. One is here in Bangladesh and another one is from United Kingdom. Honestly, we have a strong, profound relationship with them as well. We have been talking each other for more than 7-8 years. Every single of our celebration, every single of our occasion, they send gift. So not only the occasion but also before coming into my content creation, I was in very difficult situation, and on that moment my British family just contributed me a lot. They are doing it still unbelievable, so their contribution is really comprehensive. I can really explain here in this video. If I talk about their contribution in this video, my mobile battery will be run out, but my explanation will not be over. So let's come to the point as well about my thumbnail. Look, my sister always put me on the pressure that I want a mobile phone because when I go to my class, so everyone has better phones, whereas I don't have in my hand, so I have only a button phone. So look guys, I earn very limited money, that because I can really buy anything. So in this month my sister's birthday, so my sister always put me more pressure rather than the other month. No sooner had I thought about to buy a mobile phone, then I got a message from my British family that because without informing me, my sister hold my phone and just drop a message to my friend who are from United Kingdom. Honestly, my sister expressed about her need as well. On that night, my friend just asked me from United Kingdom how much a phone in your country, and I was really quite amazed. So they said, no fret Gazi, we got really information from your sister, she called us. Anyway, I was really quite disappointed. What are you talking about, mate? So, and then I just figure out how much a phone, my demand is limited. That's why I just asked only 130 pounds. And when I wake up from the bed and I saw a message that you can pick up the money right now. And I just took my sister to a mobile shop and just bought a mobile phone, and here is my sister's surprise as well. So today I will just unbox this mobile as well. She is really super happy in this birthday, though we don't really celebrate, but only for this gift I will do something for my sister. So that's all of things guys. Now the rain is coming down, so I have to go now. I can't really explain anymore, and see you around guys. Thank you so much.